Hey, what's up guys? This is Anirudh and you're watching Double Down. Here we talk about anything cryptocurrency related. If you guys do enjoy this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and if you guys could share it, I would really appreciate it. So today's topic is Litecoin and why Litecoin has surged. We're going to talk about Litecoin Cash and Lite Pay. So basically, Litecoin is one of the top competitors. It has been around for a long time, and it went from $50, $60 all the way to over $300. Recently, it dropped down along with all the other cryptocurrencies. However, it has bounced back almost 65%. And there are two main reasons why it bounced back and bounced back so fast. One thing I want to talk about is Litecoin Cash. Litecoin Cash is basically a fork that happened on February the 19th, Sunday. And basically what happened is it split into Litecoin and Litecoin Cash. When you hold Litecoin as an original Litecoin investor, you were given basically a 1:10 ratio of Litecoin to Litecoin Cash. So to give you an example, if you had one Litecoin, you were giving 10 Litecoin Cash coins. So that is one reason why people started buying up Litecoin previously before the fork, because they knew that they were going to get this fork and they were going to get a 1:10 ratio. So once started people buying up Litecoin, say around $200, the volume started going up and the price also started increasing. And just to give you an example, so say if you have one Litecoin at $200, you were given basically 10 Litecoin Cash. When Litecoin Cash first released, it came out with a price of $1.42. So when it first came, it started surging up, $2, $2.62. Today, it is standing at $7.04 as I'm making this video. It also went to an all-time high of around $9.60. So with one, say, $200 purchase of Litecoin, you had about at an all-time high of $96 worth. So that's the reason that a lot of investors, started piling on Litecoin to get Litecoin Cash. And that is the reason for the recent surge in price of Litecoin above any other coin. Next, I want to talk about Lite Pay. This is also the second part of why Litecoin started surging. Lite Pay is basically a revolutionary payment system where Litecoin can be used to pay anything you want. Lite Pay is a debit card that you can fill Litecoin with. So just like a Wells Fargo bank account, you fill your debit card with cash, fiat money. You fill your Litecoin Pay debit card with Litecoin, and you take that debit card anywhere debit card is accepted. To give you an example, let's say you go to Best Buy. You swipe your card at Best Buy to buy a graphics card. It costs $500. If you have enough Litecoin, it will instantly convert $500 of whatever the total transaction, $500, into Litecoin, and it converts it in real-time market value. So as soon as you swipe it, your Litecoin is converted into fiat money, and USD is transferred directly to the consumer, which is Best Buy. Litecoin is not transferred, USD is. So this is one way that people can just use their Litecoin to go shopping, and it's like you're using a normal Visa or MasterCard or your debit card. So the reason that Lite Pay could take off is because that if manufacturers start accepting Lite Pay when you purchase transactions, they get a 1% transaction fee. If you guys own businesses, you guys know that credit card transaction fees are upwards of 3%. But with Lite Pay, you only get 1%, and it's almost just like a normal debit card, like from Visa, where you just swipe it and you get paid. Also, fraud is very less. You can't do chargebacks or anything like that. So that's also a savings for the merchant. And the more merchants that accept Lite Pay, the more people will start using it. Not because, I want to start using Litecoin every day. It's because a lot of people will be like, hey, I want to try this out. Even if I don't own any Litecoin, I personally would, get Litecoin, load it into this card, and go to Best Buy or on Amazon just to see if it works. And that way, how many people just want to try it, and it'll start creating volumes. People will start liking it, and people will start using it. So the more Litecoin people buy, the higher the volume will increase. Once volume increases, the price automatically increases. So that's a very good thing about Lite Pay, and that it's actually going to be used for buying goods at any store, Walmart, Best Buy, wherever. So that also will increase volume. And because that news came out, people started buying Litecoin to stack, load up in their account because they can use that to buy something else. So that's the second reason why Litecoin started going up in price. And between these two, it went up 65%. And LitePay officially releases on February 26th. So I can see Litecoin going up even further once people start using LitePay. So these are two main reasons why Litecoin started surging. In addition to LitePay, LitePay is one of the perks of LitePay is that you can use this debit card at any ATM. Again, there are millions and millions of ATMs all around the world. You can basically draw cash with an ATM, and it works exactly the same way. So you load up your Litecoin onto a debit card, and you basically insert the ATM or that card into an ATM, and it will convert how much ever. So you say you take out $200 right now, and it will convert $200 into whatever the current market value is. So say that Litecoin is $200 right now, you're basically just using up one Litecoin. Or if it's $250, you'll use up that ratio of point whatever it is. So that's how it'll work, and you can draw out cash, which is a huge leap forward into kind of your cryptocurrency now being used in the real world for everyday expenses or everyday purchases. So with that being said, I think that Litecoin has a greater potential now that this has come out, and it could be surging upwards of $300 again, back to where it was before. So for the end of the year 2018, this is again my prediction. You guys, more than welcome to do your own research, and you guys will have your own prediction. But I believe that it could go up to $600 at the end of 2018. And it could hit an all-time high of maybe $1,000 if LitePay just takes off and a lot of people start using it and the volumes just go crazy. So that's basically what I have for you guys on Litecoin and why it started surging, what is new for Litecoin, what's the new thing that's coming out, and what you guys could do to use Litecoin in the real world. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys do, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.